If you're a designer and you're not doing this, you'll be replaced. Not by a better designer, but by a subscription. Because it's already happening. And it's not just about AI. It's about how the entire market has changed. And I want to show you this from my real experience. Before design, I applied to dozens of jobs. No experience, no replies. Or when I did get responses, very low salaries, or jobs with high turnover. And that's the reality for a lot of people. My first real job was at a newspaper. And that newspaper doesn't exist anymore today. Because information became free. People don't buy newspapers anymore when they can get everything online. And that's when I realized something. If your value can be replaced by something faster and cheaper, it will be replaced. Now add AI to the equation. If a business needs a poster, some social media posts, or a simple layout, why would they hire a junior designer when they can just pay for a subscription and not deal with training or management? This is the part many people don't want to hear. Designers who only execute are the first to disappear. I'm not saying design is disappearing. I'm saying the role of designer is changing. If all you do is follow briefs, pick colors, create layouts, AI becomes your direct competitor. But there is a direction where AI can't easily replace you. Skill number 1, thinking. Understanding the problem. Why does this project exist? What does the client actually want? Skill number 2, decision making. Choosing what matters. AI gives you options, you decide what works. Skill number 3, personal brand. This is the most important one. A portfolio is no longer enough because everyone has one, but not everyone has an audience, a voice, a clear positioning. That's why I started creating content, YouTube, design, and more. Because in the future, you won't just compete with other designers, but with AI plus designers. And if you don't adapt now, you will be replaced. If you like this video, I've got another one for you right here, and don't forget to like and subscribe.